That was a pretty cool experience. Got to eat a lot of food. Starters, mains, desserts. Compare that buzz bar. That's 1,000 amp buzz bar.
I hate doing things twice, and that's what I'm doing now.
Oh.
It is the tonsils removed.
No.
It's so small.
Welcome to Sating Lady Africa. I'm Ricky, and this is my wife Simone.
After 2 years of hard work on our boat, she's finally ready to take us from South Africa across the Atlantic to the Bahamas. Be sure to join in our adventures by subscribing down below. The weekend we took a walk to the Ranyazicht farmers market to get out of our boats and eat some good grub. The lockdown has slowly but surely made us stir crazy.
Out of sand, reaching for the grand.
From fresh produce to baked goods, anything food related this market had. Ricky opted for many food items and for desserts some waffles. While we roam the market, be sure to hit subscribe below if you haven't already and click on the notification bell to alert you every time we upload a new episode. Don't forget to like this video, it's a free way you can support our channel.
How's the market?
It was good, I got brownies.
The brownies to take. Mine's all dressed up. Got them boots going.
Got my cowboy boots, but I don't got a horse.
That was a pretty cool experience. Got to eat a lot of food. Starters, mains, desserts.
We ate a lot.
Got some smoked mackerel. Take home. Give that a test. I'm pretty keen on testing out smoked mackerel. And yeah, it was awesome. Beautiful day in Cape Town. Nice way to end off the weekend and to have an awesome time.
Nap time. Before the work ahead for the week started, I got some laundry done.
I seriously can't believe you are going to redo all that right now.
That's what it takes, baby.
He's going to redo our wiring with his new bus bar that he bought from Vectron.
How's that for freaking buzz bars?
How many connections can you add?
So these last two you can't. This is to put a shunt box or a secondary links bar. Buzz. On the big installs we put double of these.
So it is how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't have 6. So are you replacing that one that you have there?
Yeah, I'm taking those two out.
All the stuff are off. Everything, batteries off?
Yep, everything's off.
First, we had to remove all the wiring and disconnect the inverter, back boots, etc.
Compare that buzz bar, which is this is like 150 amp I think buzz bar. That's 1,000 amp buzz bar. It's a bit of overkill, but it's never overkill.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy.
I should most likely disconnect these because these are connected to the engines and there's a chance that there's positive still coming through that. Cost me 17.
Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way What are you doing to me?
I'm just gotta make sure that I don't have any ground. Can you pass me insulation tape?
Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this.
Can you pass me a Cokie so I can make a mark here?
I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could.
Might actually put those fuses on that side, the input fuses, and then just pull 2 lines through there.
Where have you decided to put the DC to DCs?
These I'm most likely just going to turn them sideways so they take up less space so that I can fit
When
The
you
two
say
boosters.
sideways, what do you mean?
horizontally.
Oh.
Yeah. I hate doing things twice, and that's what I'm doing now. See, if I bought the link connector from the beginning.
We couldn't afford the LinkedIn connector from the beginning.
Well, if I priced the fuses and everything at the end of the day, I should have gone that straight.
Well, we could have afforded it, but we budgeted for other things
Yeah.
at that stage. But that's how it works, hon. That's boat life. You buy things and then you upgrade them. And then you upgrade them again. And then you upgrade them again.
Literally is how it works.
And then you realize you spend more on the boat than it's worth. It's true.
It is exactly how it
It is true. I've seen it numerous times. I still don't think we've spent more than the boat's worth, though. Who knows?
depends, yeah, what it's worth to us versus what it's worth to someone else.
I think if we had to put this boat up for sale, it would get sold so quickly.
I think so.
Yeah. But guess what, Ricky?
What?
It's not getting put up for sale.
I didn't say she was up for sale.
I'm just letting you know.
I said COVID.
COVID what?
COVID was tough. It is tough. And then, like most people, oh, they're just having a fun holiday on their boat. Yeah, right, buddy.
Breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you.
This is an engineering hammer. You can't find the hammer.
Engineering 101. Rule number 1. Make sure you have the right tools for the right applications.
Yep.
Rule number 2. The right tool is a hammer. Rule number 3.
The hammer's always the right tool.
No, rule number 3. Any tool can be a hammer. That is strong adhesive. Whatever adhesive you put there. So give you context. Ricky's bashing a elbow that he put there to put the wires through to make it pretty, but then he said it wasn't effective.
Yeah, because I couldn't get half the amount of wires through the bend.
I hope you come back to me. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just.
We're busy working. We have our own live music here.
If you come down to the river.
Well, back to work before the sun's going down and we got no power.
I've got to strategize how we're going to put connection. If I go in here, it might be the best.
Time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark.
think what I need to do for today is not worry about those buck boosts and just get power online, because otherwise we're gonna have no power tonight, and the fridges and everything, and no lights and nothing. And then tomorrow just disconnect these main inverter cables and that, and then continue with the rest.
Installing those and these.
Yeah, and run the new lines for those DC to DC. At least I know when we're done it's gonna be a lot neater.
Wow. It would help if you're not sitting right in front of the light there, though, babes. I don't have light, but I'm putting my ass on the light. There we go. See? Look at that.
It was getting late and we were struggling to see, so Ricky called it a night and reconnected us back to our batteries, and we'd carry on the next day.
Honey, come. Let's finish that damn electrical.
Getting done.
Stopped doing our electrical because it was getting dark, and obviously the power wasn't connected, so we didn't have light and we couldn't see, and then Ricky had to quickly connect the power so that we could have
could
power.
see, but it would have been bad.
It would have been bad for
Image.
yeah, for our camera. So then we wouldn't be able to show you how neat and beautiful Ricky's gonna make it look. Hey honey?
Yep. Gonna hopefully make it look
So we're
very
gonna
good.
do it now, and then hopefully also install our DC to DC converters for our water maker and see hopefully if it works. We started reorganizing and neating up our electrical again, but Ricky wasn't feeling too good.
You need to go.
What are you pressing that thing down to?
Open your mouth. Let me press your tongue down because you can't do it yourself. So I can see what.
Just hang a second, let me get my mouth open first.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Just it's a sore throat. You don't have it.
Oh!
You don't have infection.
Oh.
Have you had your tonsils removed?
No.
They're so small. Which means you're fine. You don't have it. I can barely see them, which means they're not inflamed.
You pushed the...
You're the worst person. Look, I don't even need a spoon.
Yes! That
You
day.
see? How does mine look?
It looks fine. I can see why you talk lots of shit. You got a big mouth.
No, I don't know. Your tongue like takes up half of your mouth.
What are you poking?
You just have a sore throat. You don't have any information.
Feel these
I'm
things,
not
huh?
gonna give you.
Feel these glands. Do you feel them?
They're not even swollen.
Oh, fuck. I never feel them. They're never there. It's just man flu. And Google doctor. I'm gonna goggle with Listerine.
Get a Disprin. Goggle with Disprin. I'm no doctor, but I mean, I don't want to just. You shouldn't just take medication for everything. What are you doing, Bose?
Nothing. What are you doing?
I'm editing. What are you doing?
I'm shortening these inverter cables because I want to get rid of all the nasty cables over here. So now these are the same length, and one will just go into there and the other one will go there.
Cool.
So just
You neatening everything up.
pretty much. It's very time consuming, but it's because we bought systems over time. We didn't buy everything at once.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show 'em how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring.
So I've got most of the stuff connected, but one of the points that I need to get is cable from here to our water maker, and I got some 16 square millimeter, so this is kind of really oversized as usual, but I want 0 volt drops and I want to be precise on the power delivery to it. So instead of running 2 thin little cables, we're going to give it some beefy stuff so it'll get precise voltage on that side. And I want to use some of this cable to do some of the stuff here, so I need to run it first before I can see how much left over, because I got a little bit extra and I want to use it inside here. This is looking much better. I got rid of those 2 fuses. There's no big bunch of wires going all over the place. We're just gonna have 2 wires running down now neatly into our shunt. See that shunt? She's a beauty. She's gonna be full of cables coming in here. And then I can fuse each main supply terminal, which is exactly what I've been wanting to do. I don't know if we're going to get it done in this episode because it's already late. I kind of been working a little bit too much on other boats, and that's what happens. I don't get out to finishing all the projects I have on this boat, but I'm much happier with the setup here. It's looking much neater, and next week we can run that water maker, just recheck everything, and then we're good. And that's 2 big items off the list for us. If you haven't already, make sure you give us a thumbs up and press that subscribe button. And hopefully something maybe more important, hopefully all of you guys are doing well. Thanks for all the support you guys give us, and everyone during COVID just staying safe. I've got a sore throat of note. I think it's just purely the weather. And a big thanks to our patrons. You guys are always amazing, ask nothing of us and yet give us the most. So big thank you to you guys. It really means the world to us. And hopefully sometime soon we'll be able to start sending you guys things again and just show our appreciation. Thank you so much. Have a blessed weekend.
If you would like to join our Lady Africa family, you can do so by clicking on any of the links in the description below.